Today, we are going to discuss the use of Python in data science. Have you guys ever wondered why every data scientist uses Python? The simple answer to that is Python is simple to learn, easy to understand and read, and provides you with external multiple libraries. In data science, Python helps us at every stage of our data journey. First, we have NumPy and Pandas that helps us to collect, clean, and organize the data. Next, we have libraries like Matplot and Seaborn that helps us to visualize our data through charts and graphs and helps us to analyze the trends more easily. Then comes our machine learning. With libraries like scikit-learn, we can build our model, predict future outcomes, and detect frauds, and many more functions. And at last, we have deep learning and artificial intelligence. In that, Python provides powerful frameworks such as PyTorch and TensorFlow that helps us from analyzing our customer behavior to forecasting sales and generating artificial intelligence applications. So Python is just like a backbone of modern data science.